Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be discussing about the date and time functions. As we have already discussed about the array functions, and we will discuss the lookup function in the next part, that means in the next video. So let's start with the date and time function today. So we have different functions available in the Microsoft Excel, uh, as in date and time function. So starting with, first we will fill the date onto the cells. Today is 2nd March 2025. So this is the date, today's date. So get this date, we can use today function. It returns the current date formatted as a date. So it will show you the default date which is saved in your system. So in my system, it is showing as uh, 2nd March 2025. So it will gives you the in the same format. Okay, 2nd March 2025. So through today function, you can get the today's date. Let's take the help of the help book, and it takes the parameter nothing, like you should use empty brackets, and it will give you the today's date. As today function syntax has no argument. And today function returns the serial number of the current date. So let me tell you what is serial number. Herein you can see this in the date format, that is also called DMY, that means date, month, and year. To get into the number format, we can select number. So it is showing you the date in the number format. So what does it mean? So let me tell you one information regarding the date. Excel count the number from 1st January 1900. So this means 45,718 days from 1st January 1900. It is showing the number, that's it. That means it is 45,718 days ahead of 1st January 1900. Likewise, let's say you you are looking for 01, 03, 2025, and I want this to be in the number. So it is showing you 45717. So that means 45,717 days is ahead of 1st January 1900. So hope you understood the meaning of the serial number. This is also called the serial number. Okay. So through today function, we can get the today's date. Let's say we need to create a date. So there is a date function exists in the Microsoft Excel wherein we can which returns the number that represents the date in the Microsoft date time code. So let's see what is the argument of the date function. It is year, month, and day. So it takes the argument in the base on the basis of year, month, day. And let's see what would be the output. So year is 2025, month is 03, day is 02, and it is giving you 02/03/2025. That means in the DMY format. There are various format available for the date in the Microsoft Excel. Let me tell you all those formats. Go to the data tab wherein you can see the option text to column. First select this date, go to the data tab, go to the text to column. Herein you are getting the option delimited and fixed width. So we are using the delimited as in hyphen. Delimited means the characters which each field can be get separated either from using the commas or tabs or hyphen. We have used hyphen here. And sometimes you can see the forward slash as well in between the characters of the date. So in that case, the delimited is forward slash. So click on the next and you can see the preview of the selected data here. That on the fifth row, it is using as a date function 2025-3-2. Okay, click on the next. So it will ask you for the delimiters, which delimiters are present. So just click on others, click on next. So you will be able to find that in which format you want to convert this date. So I select date and we have, when you drop down this list, you will be able to see the different formats you can get the dates. First is MDY, DMY, YMD, MD, MYD, DYM, YDM. These all are formats available in the Microsoft Excel, wherein D means date, M as in month, Y as in year. So I'm not converting this date in any other formats for now, as I wanted to keep as it is as in my default machine system. So, so this is all about the date format. And you know about the date function as well, that it returns a number that represents a date. Let's discuss about the date value. Okay. Date value functions gives you the serial number of the uh, date value means. So it takes the argument as in date text. Let's see if it takes this one or not. It gives you the value error. Why? Because it takes the argument as in text, but this is not the text value. This is a date value. So how? Let's take the date in the text format. To write anything in the text format, use apostrophe at the start and write your date 03/2025. It is in the text format now. Okay. Then use date value function. It converts a date in the form of text to a number that represents the date. Okay. So it is giving you the number date in the serial number. So it will convert the date to serial number through, like I was getting this same value through number formatting through here. When I select this number, it will give you the result. Otherwise, we can use a function called number value, which converts date text to number. Hope it clears. Likewise, we have the scene date, date value. We have week. Let's say you want to know which weekday this date refers to. So it weekday takes the argument as in the serial number. Let's take it. And it is giving you the first week. That means it is the first day of the week. It is the first weekday, first day of the week. So that means Microsoft Excel takes the first day as in the Sunday. Sunday is the first day. Let's take 03/03/2025 and then calculate the weekday of this date. It will give you the 2. That means Monday. This means it is the second day of the week. So remember this thing, that Excel takes the Sunday uh, as in first day of the week. Let's take the help of the help book to understand uh, in the better way about the weekday functions. So it returns the day of the week corresponding to the date that we have already understood. And it ranges from 1st to 7. First is Sunday and 7 is Saturday by default. So it has two argument including serial number and second is return type. We have already seen about the serial number and the return type is optional. A number that determines the type of the return value. If return type is 1, that means number 1 is Sunday through 7 till Saturday, which is by default. If return type we have select 2, that means it will take number 1 as in Monday and through 7 Sunday. So let's take this date and you can see the suggestion. If I'll select 1, then it will consider 1 as in Sunday. But if I'll select 2, then number 1 means it will the first week of the day start from Monday till Sunday, means the 7 would be the Sunday. So I have used 2. That means the first day of the week would be the Sunday and it is considered as 1. So as in earlier we were getting 2, but here we will get 1. The reason we have changed in the argument and set to Excel that the Monday is the first day of the week. Consider Monday as the first day of the week. So it is giving you the first day. So 3rd March would be the first day of the week. Likewise, we can use 3, 11, 12, and so on. 3 means number 0 for Monday through 6, Sunday. 6 would be the Sunday, and it will give you like 0 for Monday and 1 for Tuesday and 6 for Sunday. If you use 11 to the return value, then it will consider Monday as in first day of the week through 7 Sunday as in 7th day of the week. Likewise, you can explore. So for now, I keep as it is 1 and getting the 2. Let's discuss about the weekday. It returns a number from 1 to 7 identifying the day of the week of the date. So we wanted to know about the weekday. Let's see what is the output. It is showing second. So what does it mean second? Means it is the second day of the week. And by default, the return type is 1. That means it is giving you Monday. And by default, for 1 is Sunday. Let's check what would be the weekday. So we have already discussed about the weekday. We have to discuss WEEKNUM, which returns the week number in the year. Which week number the date is consisting of that year, particular year. So the argument of the week num is serial number and the return type. Let's take the help of the help book and we will understand that how can we use those arguments. So for now, we can use this date and let's say what is the week number. It is giving you the 10th week of this year. 3rd March is the 10th week of the year. So let's understand about the weeknum functions. So it returns the week number of the specific date, and like the week containing January 1 is the first week of the year and its number week 1. So January would be the 1st January would be considered as the first week. So there are two arguments which considered in the week num, wherein we have already discussed about the serial number and the return type is optional. So herein as well, we can use different return type. One means week begins on Sunday, 2 means week begins on Monday, 11 means week begins on Monday, likewise 12 Tuesday, 13 Wednesday, and so on and so forth. So accordingly, it will give you the week num. By default, it is taking uh, Sunday as in first day of the week. So to calculate the week num, we can use the week num function. Week number, like to calculate the week number, you can use week num function. So this is all about the date functions. We let's discuss about the time function. We have time function, which convert hours, minutes, and second, and given as a number to an Excel serial number formatted with a time format. Let's put, and it takes a argument as an hour, minute, second. So I'm just putting 16 hour, 30 minutes, 20 seconds. Let's see what is the output. It is giving you 4:30 p.m. Let's discuss about the time function in detail through the help of the help book, wherein it returns time functions, returns the decimal number for the particular time. So I will discuss regarding this in detail after a few minutes. So herein, let's discuss about the syntax about this time. It is hour, minute, and second. And hour is required, minute is required, second is required. And it is like you can understand in the by default manner that if any value greater than 23 will be divided by 24 and the remainder will be treated as the hour value. Okay, to get the value in hour, we can divide the minutes by the 60 and we'll get the hour value accordingly. Okay. So in this way, we can get the output that it is 4:30 p.m. Now let's discuss time value, which remember the date value, which takes the time as in the text. So it also takes time as in text. Like date value takes date as in text, so it takes time as in text. So first we need to create one cell value wherein we will put time as in text for 30 p.m. Okay, we have already take this time value and it will give you the error. Let me check where I have made mistake. Time value, time text. It is giving you me the value error. Time value. It also give me the value error because it doesn't take as in text. Okay. So yeah, now it is takes the value as in text. And now when we use, let's take another example to avoid the confusion. It's 12:00. Okay. And take the time value, time text, it is giving you zero point 0.5. So what does it mean? It means that it is giving you the whole, it is showing you the half day of the day. There's a total 24-hour format. So zero point 0.5 means it is nearby about half day of the whole 24 hours. That is 12. If let's say we use 13 or 14, so it will give you the value accordingly, 0.58. So you will be understand that this means it is giving you that it is more than the half day, around zero point 0.6. So time values are the portion of the date value and represented by the decimal number. That means, like for example, 12 p.m. is represented as zero point 0.5 because it is a half of a day. So it is showing the value of the day, that where the day is lying, portion of the date value. Okay. So this is about the time values. So this is all about the date and time functions. So let me know if any confusion occurs to you and in the comment section. So we will discuss further. I believe we have covered all date and time functions, including date, time, week num, weekday, and there are different formats of the date. So that's all about the date and time functions. Have a good day. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.